Hello, I'm Muhammad Al-Masri. I'll be presenting for you EduPulse AI for the Google Cloud Rapid Agent Hackathon MongoDB partner track. Students drop out long before anyone notices. By the time an instructor spots the warning signs, it's too late. EduPulse AI is the action layer between the data and the intervention. This is a real autonomous agent, not a chatbot, built on Google's Agent Development Kit, driven by Gemini 3 Flash, and every database operation routed through the official MongoDB MCP server. And for every high-risk student, it consults precedent via MongoDB Atlas vector search over its own past outcomes. One click runs the entire route. As you see, I just pressed the run agent, and the entire loop is working right now. The agent is running. Every line in this trace panel is real decision Gemini just made. It scanned for at-risk student through the MongoDB MCP server. And now the key moment: find similar past cases. For each high-risk student, the agent issues a vector search through MCP against an Atlas vector search index of Gemini embedded past outcomes. It reads which intervention historically worked for similar student. Then it batches the analyzed student and writes to 5 MongoDB collection: risk analysis, interventions, alerts, emails for medium and above, meeting only for the high and critical. Graduated triage, not one size fits all. And the loop auto continues into measurement, comparing each student to the baseline we snapshotted at intervention time. The effectiveness number is real, no placeholder at all. As you see, the results are done right now, and everything is linked to MongoDB autonomous actions. I'll move into the dashboard to show more analytics on this side: total students, at-risk count, intervention, real effectiveness, risk distribution on the left, agent activity on the right. Every tile is clickable. As you see, at-risk student, every tile is clickable. Intervention effectiveness, real MongoDB documents, the actual risk analysis Gemini just wrote, and the outcome detail before and after differential per metric. The improved batch only appear when at least 2 of 3 metrics went up and nothing regressed by more than 10 points. Strict and honest. To go back, I'll talk more about the back end and what's under the hood. I used Google ADK orchestrating, Gemini 3 Flash picking tool, MongoDB MCP server as the partner integration, Atlas vector search for precedent, deployed on Google Cloud Run. Every cycle outcomes feed the next cycle precedent index. The agent gets better over time. That's the difference between an AI feature and a real agent. The live URL and code is in the description. Thank you for watching.